Welcome to TJM Unbox. Today we're going to be unboxing and setting up a brand new Wi-Fi controlled smart surge protector. This is going to be amazing since we'll be able to control it with our voice using Alexa or Google and also our smartphone. So I'm going to open it up and start setting it up. This is available on Amazon and that is where I picked it up. And it looks like this is the surge protector. And we just have a paper manual that's pretty long. So the surge protector has two sides. One side that is controlled with your phone and all of these outlets can be turned on or off. And then this side is always on. So if you have a computer attached to this but a light attached to this, you can have your computer always on and then turn on the light with the smart features. So it has a couple buttons on here, just the standard surge protector. You can turn it on and off. A Wi-Fi reset, I'd assume that has to do with pairing. And then a couple lights that indicate whether it's on or off. Over the past couple of years, I've been using these Wi-Fi controlled plugs. They're very simple. They just plug into the outlet and then you're able to control a device. And these things have been very helpful. I use it all the time, but I have some areas that I need a couple smart outlets. So instead of having 5 or 6 of these, I'll be able to control them all with one surge protector. I'm very excited to start setting this up. So I'm going to take out the cable and plug it in so we can start setting it up. This is a pretty long cable. I don't know, maybe like 5 feet. So I'm going to turn it on. Okay, it's currently on, and then I'm going to go through the instructions and see how we can get it set up. All right, so it's been officially paired to my phone. You can actually use Toya Smart or Home Life to connect it to your Alexa or Google Home, which is pretty cool. So it can use 2 different apps. When you're pairing it, just make sure you select that it's a socket via Wi-Fi. I had a little bit of trouble and it took me a while, but now that everything's connected, I'm pretty sure I could just like turn everything. Do you hear that? So you kind of hear the circuits snapping. Let me see if it's closer. Okay, so I just turned all 4 off, or you can turn all of them on by hitting the power button. Nice. So in this app, I can actually control a schedule or set routines or a countdown. I'm not going to do it on the Toya Smart app. I'm actually going to go into Alexa to create a smart routine. So when I say turn on my office, it turns on this or particular things. This is great because it can turn a lot of dumb things into smart things. So if you have a space heater, you can have that always turned on and plug it in to one of these surge protectors. And then when you use your voice, you can actually have it provide power to it, and then it'll become a smart like heater. You can also do that with an air purifier, a fan, a light, a lamp, a computer. The possibilities are honestly endless, and this is really awesome. It also has 4 USB ports. I did not mention that. And it says that it is 4.8 amps across the 4, so I'd assume 1.2 amps each. I'm not sure if it delegates power, so if 2 devices are in, is it like 2.4 amps or something? I'm not sure, so I'll have to figure that out. I'm gonna connect my fish tank, which is the main reason I bought this. I have one right here, and I'm gonna connect the light to the smart surge protector. And I will be back once I'm done. I would also like to mention that there's 2 mounting holes on the back, so you're able to screw that into a wall and then mount this so it's not sitting on the floor. It can sit on the floor, but you can also mount it. All right, well, I apologize for this angle, but here's the surge protector. I mounted it onto my desk, and it's actually elevated, so it's off the ground in case there was water or anything else, and I got everything connected. So my aquarium light is connected to the smart feature, so if I scroll into the app, I can control it by pressing the buttons. Just like that. I also connected a couple USB devices over here, so I'll be able to charge my phone or anything else under my desk, and I won't have to worry about it. That's probably where I'll charge my cameras and stuff, which is really cool. I've also been doing some cable management, so everything looks organized and clean, which is really cool. I still have a lot of stuff I need to do, but so far, this really helped clear up a lot of clutter. So now I'm able to do some smart routines, which is gonna be awesome. And here's the little smart plug. And as you can see, this is far more convenient having this massive bar that has a couple open spots than having to get a bunch of these. I'll have a link down below. I bought this myself. And so far it's working really well. I have a couple routines already set up. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll catch you on the next one. Take it easy. Peace.